Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing I'm not sure what kind of video, girl. I have a shopping issue and I've bought some things that I've never used or worn, and I feel like if I do this video, I'm gonna get some uses out of them because you guys are gonna hold me to it. If you wanna know my outfit or anything I got, you can head over to my vlog channel. I share everything there. The reasoning why I'm doing this video is so I'll use these items, and my self-tan is so splotchy, so just try to ignore it. And to let you guys know, I literally wear my Dollarama sandals more than I do my Gucci shoes that I'm about to show you. Well, I've never worn my Gucci shoes. The most I've done is like try these on or like try one of them like for the video or like try something on, but I've never worn them. So I'm holding myself accountable and wearing these items. It's like, why did I buy these? So I'm gonna start with the thing I just talked about right now, and that is Gucci. Literally, why? Girl, we don't need this kind of stuff. I put 2 of the dust bags in here. I think there was 1 for each shoe. Or I just put multiple dust bags from other Gucci things I bought. I bought this at Holt Renfrew in Edmonton years ago. And I'm gonna wear them this summer. Girl, like there's nothing wrong with going to Walmart and buying like Walmart size. There's nothing wrong with going and getting like Urban Planet stuff and stuff from like Ardennes. And I wear that stuff more, and I feel like that stuff's cuter than any designer thing that I've bought besides like maybe my Versace purse. So, okay, these, oh my God, they're so soft actually. I haven't even opened this box for years. That's cool. These are called, I don't know, what the hell? This is the name of them there. I don't know if the camera's focused because this camera sucks. Guys, Gucci slides but doesn't buy a new camera. Here's the shoe. So I was gonna get the pink ones, but I thought the black one, I mainly wear like pink outfits, like hello, so I feel like the black would stand out. It would be more of a vibe, I felt, and then never wore them. Cause you know what? Oh my God. I buy them and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear these. So these I think were like $250. I feel like nobody says designer prices, but they'll say like a shirt that they bought from like TJ Maxx and they'll say the price of those, but then they don't say designer prices. So these, oh yes. Yes. I feel like when I buy these, and the reason why I don't wear them is because I don't want to get them. Oh my God. So I feel like the reasoning why I didn't wear a lot of these is because I was afraid to get them dirty or anything on them. I didn't want to pair them up with the wrong thing and look weird because I'm literally wearing Gucci. This is just sheer stupidity. And that's just so dumb. So it's like, don't buy it if you're not gonna wear it, I feel. Anything, like why buy something, why spend money on something when I could have spent that $250 on like a whole bunch of clothes at like Forever 21, let's say, and then I would get tons of uses out of them. So don't do what I do, okay? Wear things if you're gonna use them. Like it's totally okay to have designer stuff, but if you're not even gonna wear it because you're scared, then that's a whole other issue on its own. Okay, so the next thing is from Louis Vuitton, and this is the only thing that I'm like, I may have worn this once. This I was scammed into buying. So this I feel like I was like roped into buying, honestly. I was buying my very first Louis bag, and I had to like ask for help and show that I was actually interested in making a purchase before they actually like took me a little seriously. I know a lot of people say that, and I felt like that was true only in that moment. Anything else designer I purchased, I feel like everyone's been like very nice, even if I was just going to look around. But this was the only time where I felt like all those stories were true of people being like, they won't talk to you unless like, you know, they know you're spending money. She said something, and I forget what the exact quote was, but it was something like, yeah, this is the cheapest one out of them all. Like she had to tell me that the bag I was buying was the cheapest out of like that collection or something, or the ones that they had in stock or something like that. And she's like, and we have bag charms over there if you're curious. And I was like, okay, I'm getting one. I was like literally bought one of these bag charms. I don't remember, like somebody needs to tell me if I actually wore this. It really doesn't, I literally didn't wear this. Like it's like brand new. I literally bought this like pretty much because I was like, I'm buying it then. And I just wish I didn't. I want to, and then imagine going to return it, being like, yeah, I just want to return this. They'd be like, but then again, who cares, right? I feel like this is like the dumbest purchase I've ever made is what you're looking at right here. Like this is so dumb. And my mom even said, why are you getting that? You weren't coming in here for that. Like this is just added extra. I'm gonna start using my Louis bag again just to put this on it. Just to wear it. It's very cute. I feel like it's very simple and practical, but yet I'm gonna like go to Dollarama and buy like a fuzzy pink ball that's $1 and clip it on my Louis Vuitton before I would put this on. PiinkSparkles problems. It's an issue. My life is an issue, but I feel like it's so dumb. Like it literally just sits in my closet. I'm holding myself accountable. We're gonna start using this. Okay, next is from Chanel. This is actually the only thing that I can justify in this whole video. You think? Do ya? Because I got this on I buy the cheapest thing on Chanel, and this is extra soft cotton, le coton, and I don't know what to do with these. I need help. Girl, help me. Somebody save me. Someone, won't you save me? I've been feeling so like I need to be saved. So that packaging is so pointless because the same package, like what? This is the exact I feel like I'm only gonna buy designer now if I'm actually gonna use it. Like, what is this? These are so booed. Okay, ready? Look at this and look at the imprints on there. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys to see that there are each individual Chanel logos on each of these cotton things. They're just cotton. They're about this thick. They've got the imprint of the Chanel on them. They're thickums. No smell. Do I take off makeup with these? Like, is this like a makeup remover thing? Do I blow my nose in that? Was I supposed to do that? I'm not meant to have a disaster. Maybe I'll just start using them as Kleenex. I mean, hey, I don't have to buy Kleenex. I mean, I need help. What is this? Why? Please comment below. What do you use cotton for? Let me see. What? Wait. Cotton uses. 5 surprising uses for cotton pads. Blow your nose. Just kidding. It's still loading. Use as a mask. Soak some cotton pads in your skin conditioner and use it as a face mask. Pre-soak your toner. Use it to apply powder. Use as contour. Use to contour. I need help. Girl, I need help. I'm just using those Kleenexes, I think. Chanel Kleenexes. I should just do like a get ready with me and then I have these in there and then people will think I'm rich and be like, oh, yeah. They were the cheapest thing on Chanel though, like, come on. Okay, the very last thing is the thing that I am so mad at myself for not wearing. Like, I bought this for myself for Christmas like years ago and I'm too scared to wear it because I feel like I'm gonna get like ketchup on it or I'm gonna like rub my cake face on it or something. And this is again from Gucci. Girl, only buy shit that you're gonna use, trust. This, I'm so mad. I've taken this out, I've looked at it. This is such a pointless purchase for me. It still has the tags on it. So this, oh, I didn't even know it had this. Or I probably did way back then, but it's been sitting collecting dust for so long. It's got a flower at the back. Gooch. And then it's a t-shirt and this is what the t-shirt looks like. Pretty sure like everyone has this t-shirt and they've got it at like knockoff places and stuff. So I should have just done that, to be honest, because I've never worn it. It is really light and it does feel really nice. Like the material is really nice on it. But the thing is I was gonna return it because, oh yeah, right here. So right here has these little, see the holes in it? There's a hole there, and that's how I got it. And I actually phoned Gucci and then they told me that's how the shirt is supposed to be. They were like, yeah, it's supposed to be like that. And if you look closely on the website, it shows the holes on the website. So I went back and I was like, yeah, it does. Cool. I feel like it's just a t-shirt with a logo on it. I mean, I'm not dissing anything designer. I'm just dissing myself because I have no business wearing like a Gucci shirt that I bought for myself for Christmas, I feel, if I've never even worn it because I'm too scared to wear it. I feel like this is so dumb. Not the shirt, but just like my mentality, you know? This is just so like, It's okay to buy something designer, but if you're going to wear it, wear your shite. And I just feel like it's like scribbled on there. I don't know. I feel like they didn't even color in the lines well. I did better in like preschool here. And they're gooch magooch. I don't deserve designer. I'm just saying, like, you guys don't need the name. You don't need the brand name. You don't need to like flex. You don't need to, I mean, if you have it and if you like it, if you like designer, I'm not saying people flex just because they have designer, but I'm just saying some people feel the need that they do or maybe don't feel like they're worth something if they have the designer things. And I bought them and they just sit there because I prefer like, you know, Furby tops. Like I want a shirt that has like Elmo on it. I want little cheapy bracelets and necklaces and like these are from Dollarama, these, and I feel like this is like the cutest look ever. And I don't care if I get it wrecked. So that's just me and that's just the mentality I'm trying to live now. These things were purchased not anytime soon. Hopefully you guys get some like inspiration and some insight into that. Like it's not just all about designer. And if you have money, you don't have to flex that you have the money. If you like the designer and want to buy it, that's cool. And if you just want something for designer to like have, that's also cool. But to have things collect dust that could be used for other things, I just feel like it's not okay. And there's so many good websites in the world. There's so many good clothing companies. There's so many good items in the world and we don't need to be just focused so much on the brand name. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I hope this brought some smiles to you guys. And Shizzy's going crazy right now. He's like, Shizzy! I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye! Bye!